G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 31 Turrum Street in the popular and centrally located suburb of Scarness. We are only minutes away from just about everything that makes Hervey Bay great. Let's go and take a look around. This captivating residence delivers a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living in the tightly held pocket in the popular suburb of Scarness. The quality and scale of this GJ Gardner home, completed in 2016, is immediately apparent as you enter this contemporary haven, complete with high ceilings and a flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan crafted for year-round entertaining. You are naturally drawn towards the vast open plan living, kitchen and dining area, which truly does form the heart of this home. The wonderfully appointed kitchen, complete with large island bench, includes soft close cabinetry and loads of storage plus a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, wall oven and a dishwasher. There is also plumbing for refrigerators that include water filters and ice makers. You will feel as though you are on holidays every day as you open those large stacker doors, which provide a seamless transition between the indoor living space and that fabulous al fresco outdoor entertaining area overlooking the Parkland Reserve. This is where you will appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while watching the sunset with a cool beverage. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main living and dining area, as well as the main bedroom. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with all 3 bedrooms being thoughtfully located away from the main entertaining zones. All 3 bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles and a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. The large laundry includes linen storage and also offers direct access outside to the clothesline. There is also ample space to add a pool or a shed to accommodate large caravans or boats. The owner has committed to selling this beautiful home and is calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.